Hi guys and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a very delicious and easy recipe with the homemade pumpkin gnocchi from my last video. So all we're gonna need is homemade pumpkin gnocchi, garlic, fresh sage leaves, gorgonzola, Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, herbs and spices. And that's it you guys, so let's get started! The pumpkin gnocchi with gorgonzola and sage are ready, and now comes the fun part where we're gonna try it out together. Looks so delicious. Wow. Okay you guys, that's it for today's video. The homemade pumpkin gnocchi are so delicious, easy to make it and rich in flavor. I love the combination of gorgonzola, sage, walnuts and honey. I hope you like it. So write me in the comments if you remake it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Ciao!